In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to your Wix store. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access the page where your store is displayed. Once you are inside the editor, head to your store page and locate either your main shop gallery or a category product gallery, depending on where you want the filters to appear. This is important because the filter settings are tied directly to that specific gallery element. Next, click directly on the shop or category product gallery. When you select it, you should see a few floating controls appear nearby. Look for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear, and click on it to open the gallery settings panel. This is where you'll control how products are displayed and how customers can narrow down what they see. Inside the settings panel, go to the Display tab. In this section, look for the option labeled Filters and check the box next to it. Turning this on enables filtering for that gallery, which can make browsing much easier for your visitors, especially if you have a larger catalog with multiple product types, price points, or variations. After enabling filters, navigate to the Filters tab within the same settings area. This is where you can customize exactly what appears in the filter panel. You'll have a few key options here. First, you can manage category filters. This lets you edit the names of your categories as they appear in the filter panel, which is useful if you want the wording to be clearer or more customer-friendly. You can also hide specific categories if there are any you don't want displayed as filter choices. You can also adjust price filters. Here, you can choose whether the price filter is turned on or off. If you want, you can also rename it to something like Price Ranges so it matches the style and tone of your store a little better. Another option is Product Options. This allows customers to filter by product variants, such as size or color. One thing to keep in mind is that product option filters work as an all or nothing setting. That means you either show all created product options or none of them. So it's a good idea to make sure your product options are organized consistently before displaying them. Once you've finished customizing your filters, your store gallery will be much easier for shoppers to browse and refine. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.